Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone XR runs the supported iOS and has current backups. Open Settings and go straight to Siri and Search, then Apple Intelligence. Tap each toggle to enable on-device processing, personalization, and suggestions. This gives you local performance and privacy. Once done, grant permissions for contacts, photos, and location when prompted so intelligence can access context. Make sure to keep battery optimization settings permissive. Otherwise, background analysis may pause and responses will be delayed. Next, you configure the meat of the feature. Choose which suggestions appear and where. In Apple Intelligence settings, enable proactive suggestions in lock screen, spotlight, and keyboard. This controls when you see predictions. Then set language and voice preferences so responses match your tone. Integrate apps by allowing access to mail, calendar, and notes. This enables context-aware replies and summaries. Once integrated, create and test a few shortcuts so the system learns your routines and refines suggestions over time. Finally, you practice using Apple Intelligence. Ask multi-step questions, request photo summaries, and use the keyboard suggestions during typing. Observe results and, if responses seem off, restart the phone first. If issues persist, toggle intelligence features off and on or reset intelligence data in settings to retrain context models. Make sure to check battery and privacy dashboards. Excessive background use means revisiting permissions or disabling specific integrations. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.